Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to fix code error on Honda Odyssey radio, easy method. Turn the ignition to ACC, press and hold the radio power and seek buttons together for 10 seconds, then enter the correct 5-digit code to regain function. If the code does not work, disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 10 minutes, reconnect, and try the reset sequence again with calm, steady steps. In this video, I will explain how to fix code error on Honda Odyssey radio, easy method. First, locate the original radio code in the owner manual, glove box, or on the radio label under the dash. If you cannot find it, note the radio serial number and your VIN before contacting your dealer for recovery. Keep your documents handy and follow the dealer's guidance to avoid unnecessary fees or delays in restoring radio access. In this video, I will help how to fix code error on Honda Odyssey radio, easy method. Limit incorrect attempts to avoid the radio locking further, and always check the battery voltage and connections first. If you succeed, write the code down and store it with your vehicle documents for easy access later. For persistent errors, consider a software update or dealer diagnostic, as underlying electrical issues can cause repeated lockouts and annoying interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.